Quit your 9-5 AI-powered businesses. Anyone can start. Imagine this. It's Monday morning. Your alarm screams at 6:30 a.m. You drag yourself out of bed, already calculating how many emails, deadlines, and awkward meetings you'll have to survive. By 8 o'clock, you're stuck in traffic, or worse, jammed between strangers on a crowded subway. You glance at your phone and see headlines about people making six figures from their laptops using AI tools. And the thought hits you, how is it possible that some random 22-year-old with a laptop and Wi-Fi is making more money in a month than you make in a year? Here's the paradox. We've been trained our entire lives to believe that hard work means long hours. Yet the fastest-growing businesses in the world today are built not by grinding harder, but by leveraging artificial intelligence. The big question is this. What if AI could give you the power to quit your 9-5 and build an income stream in months, not years? In the next few minutes, I'll reveal why most people fail to escape the job trap, the hidden science behind it, and 5 practical AI-powered businesses anyone can start, even with no tech skills. And here's the twist. One of these businesses flips the entire idea of work on its head. So stay tuned, because by the end, you won't just see AI as a tool, you'll see it as your ultimate escape plan. For most people, work feels like a treadmill. You run faster, yet you stay in the same place. The bills keep coming. Inflation eats away at your paycheck. Promotions are slower than ever, and even when you get one, it barely keeps up with the rising cost of living. You know this cycle. Wake up tired, commute, sit in endless meetings, do tasks that feel pointless, come home drained, binge-watch Netflix just to numb the stress, then do it all again tomorrow. And deep down, you know you're trading your time, the one thing you can't get back, for money that's never enough. Most people try to break free. They download productivity apps. They start side hustles that burn them out. They buy into get-rich-quick promises, only to realize they've just signed up for another job that pays even less. Here's the truth. The traditional solutions don't work because they're still tied to the old system. They still rely on you working harder, longer, and faster. But if working harder actually worked, wouldn't you already be free? So if the apps, the hacks, the late-night hustles, and the motivational cliches all fail, what's really happening? The hidden truth is that your brain is wired for survival, not freedom. Think of your brain like an old courtroom. On one side sits the judge of logic. He says, "You should start that business, You should quit your 9-5. On the other side is the lawyer of fear. He shouts, "What if you fail? What if you lose everything?" Guess who usually wins? Fear. Psychologists call this loss aversion. The fear of losing what you already have is twice as powerful as the joy of gaining something new. That's why millions of people stay stuck in jobs they hate. It feels safer than stepping into the unknown. But here's where AI changes the game. Unlike traditional businesses that require massive upfront costs, AI tools act like digital employees you don't have to pay salaries to. They write, design, market, and even sell for you. Harvard researchers found that entrepreneurs using AI cut their workload in half while increasing revenue. It's like upgrading your brain from a courtroom to a supercomputer. The hidden truth is this: you don't need more discipline or motivation. You need leverage. And AI gives you exactly that, leverage that turns fear into opportunity. So how do you use AI to escape your 9-5? Here are 5 AI-powered businesses anyone can start. Number 1, faceless YouTube channels. These are channels that earn thousands using AI tools like Pictory for video editing and 11 Labs for voiceovers. People consume 1 billion hours of YouTube every single day. The hack? Pick a niche, script with ChatGPT, auto-generate videos, upload consistently. Number 2, AI-powered print on demand. Using Ideogram or Kittl, you can design t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases without ever touching inventory. Print-on-demand sales are projected to hit over $10 billion by 2027. The hack? Create 10 designs a day, upload them to Etsy or Redbubble, and let AI handle mock-ups and scaling. Number 3, AI affiliate marketing funnels. Build landing pages with Systeme.io, auto-generate blog posts with ChatGPT, and promote high-ticket digital products. The hack? Let AI handle SEO and email sequences while you collect commissions. Number 4, AI ebooks and courses. Write mini guides or full books in days, then sell them on Amazon, KDP, Gumroad, or even as physical CDs through Kunaki. The hack? Bundle them with AI-narrated audiobooks for maximum profit. Number 5, automated freelance services. Offer copywriting, design, or video services powered by AI. The hack? Use AI as your digital coworker, cut project times in half, and charge clients premium rates. But here's the twist nobody talks about. AI isn't just creating businesses, it's replacing old ones faster than you think. Here's the paradox. AI won't just help you quit your job. It's going to make your job obsolete. Imagine your current 9-to-5 as a sinking ship. You can cling to it and hope it floats, or you can build your own AI-powered lifeboat. This isn't about working harder, it's about working smarter, using tools that multiply your time and income. AI doesn't replace you. It replaces the boring, repetitive parts of work so you can finally focus on freedom. Here's a simple 3-step system you can start today. Step 1, pick one model. Choose just one AI business: YouTube, Piod, affiliate funnels, ebooks, or freelancing. Don't scatter your focus. Step 2, automate the repetitive work. Use AI tools for writing, design, video, or customer service. Treat them as your digital employees. Step 3, launch small, scale fast. Publish your first product, video, or offer within 7 days. Then use analytics to double down on what works. Sarah, a 42-year-old teacher, started with Pod. She uploaded 20 AI-generated t-shirt designs in her first week. Within 2 months, she had $1,200 in monthly passive income. She didn't quit her job immediately, but she finally had breathing room. Remember the opening story? The crowded train, the endless emails, the drained evenings? That doesn't have to be your life. The truth is, freedom isn't given, it's built. AI is simply the tool that makes building it faster than ever before. So the real question is, will you keep running on the treadmill or step off and start building the future? Your escape plan is one decision away.